What's up, fool? Yo, are these fidget spinners? Damn, we could use these on something. Look at all these fidget spinners, you know? Damn, bro. So, 1, 2, 3.
I haven't seen those in a while.
4, 5, 6. What's up, EBECK enthusiasts? Back to you with another video. We have a few fidget spinners. We just found these like this morning, and I was like, we can do something with these. Might as well. I think we're gonna grind them down. We might drill them with these drill bits right here. Check these bad boys out. Check these out, homie. We're gonna do something with them. We're going out to the garage right now. We have this grinder right here. First, I'm gonna take them out of the box. We're gonna grind these bad boys up.
Oh.
What's up, Bill?
All right. I was just wondering what's up with that thing you said.
What's up with it? Spins like a top. Oh, this one doesn't. Look what I found, guys, right here. This little mask. But I'm gonna transform it into like something like this or some shit like that. See that right here? Just like that. Woo!
I'll take the one with Brian.
How you feel about it? It's hot.
Hey, Eric, will you something this night for me?
Eli is officially the worst videographer there is. He doesn't even know what to do. Look at that, but that's an experiment right there. That's what I did right there, look at that. Bam. Whoa, Ruben, what are you doing with the door, bro? Do you know the measurements?
Yeah, I got the measurements on the phone.
Alright.
It's like literally barely even off. It's like an inch and like an inch.
Got a new door for the room. We're going back to my pad. We're gonna cut the door to the right measurements because it's not quite fitting in his room. So we'll get it working. I'm ready. Let's get it. You already know, guys. I'm about to cut this.
See right here?
Woo, I'm about to cut this right now. I'm ready. I got the hardware on. Got the little face mask. You know what I'm saying? I converted this thing from a paintball shield to a freaking nice little construction face shield. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. I'm ready. All right, so we have our Lugo right now. About to get down with the door. Let's get the measurements going. So we have a little argument going on.
Getting intense.
Getting intense, you know what I'm saying? We have 3 of the homeboys arguing over how to cut a door. I thought you guys were veterans at this, dude. You guys are sounding like the 3 Stooges. Come on, dude.
No more talking. No more talking.
Get to work.
What do you need?
So it's,
what do you need?
Yeah, so just I just need an inch. This door is 80 inches, and I measured the one at the house. It said 79
I'd go
inches.
remeasure before you cut it. And bring
You don't want to do a whole inch here.
I measured it right
You
before.
want to do a half inch here and a half
I did
inch
it twice
over
too. I
there.
measured it
Doors are
twice.
standard.
See, they're arguing. All I have to say, if you want a door cut for your house or your room, come to us. We have it settled. We'll take care of it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got the face shield. Where's that saw at? Where's that saw? Hacksaw versus freaking door.
If you want
I'm ready. Still debating on cutting the door or not.
We need to cut an inch off this door. It's taken like 5 of us so far to figure it out.
Just cut the damn thing.
He's nervous. He's nervous.
Just cut it. You already got the measurements. Now we have money on the line. Half inch off each end.
Instead of 1 inch.
And if it doesn't work,
I'll buy him a new door.
Bill will buy Ruben a new freaking door.
It's gonna work for sure. It has to work. No way I'm getting it.
Finally, damn. Alright, yes, we have Ruben doing it. He's gonna cut his own freaking door, finally.
This side.
It was like 3 o'clock when we started, now it's like 7:30.
So if you
put the
yeah.
Stop.
Keep it straight. There you go. Easy. Hang on a second. Let me go. So now you gotta go on your own. Ow! That easy.
Still arguing.
I would see that
How?
because I would want it a half inch on each side.
Just got an antique. Hang this up in my room.
Okay. The 3 Stooges really got me hungry. Wow. They're crazy. Can't make up their minds. We have made it to Ruben's house. He is installing the door right now. Is it working, dog?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, it is.
Sure.
Hell yeah. We got this bad boy. Say hello to my little friend. So at the end of the day, we did not get it accomplished.
Shit
It's
happens,
a fail, bro.
Yeah, it's a fail.
We need to shave this down.
Took an L today.
Shave this down just a little bit, and it should be fine.
Yep.
Screw you. You guys, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a fat thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you aren't already. Ruben, I'm sorry, bro, but like,
Hey man, shit happens, dude.
maybe another time, alright?
Yeah.
Shit happens. You will get that door on eventually. I will see you guys next time. Much love. Deuces.
So where was y'all niggas when they called me cold? Where was y'all niggas when they called me cold? I've been wanting this shit since 10 years old. I'ma be after this shit till I'm dead and gone. I've been chasing this dream so long.